Are you so indecisive about the price of what you're selling that you want your customers to decide what they pay instead of you? Then pay what you want from SamCart is exactly what you're looking for. Go to your products tab, go over here and click on new product. And of course, I just pay what you want. Can be a really powerful tool in your toolbox as a seller to get a bunch of new customers in, right? So pay what you want. Come to the pricing type dropdown, and you're going to choose pay what you want, right? The minimum suggested contribution is basically you deciding, okay, cool, pay what you want over $10, pay what you want over $100. I have seen pay what you want products that are in the hundreds of dollars. I've never seen anyone go much higher than that. But I'll just set the minimum. I'm going to set the minimum at $1. Okay, $1. $1, Bob. And so don't put the $sign in there. Remember not to do that. You can, if you want, also make this recurring. Anyway, back to the minimum really quick. Sorry. The minimum suggested basically says if someone comes in here and tries to put in 0, they will get a red box that says you can't do that. It's anything over whatever. You're setting a minimum. They can choose what they want to pay, but it's got to be over your minimum. I think you get it. You can make this recurring if you want, by the way, too, right? So you could say, listen, pay what you want, and every month or ends in a certain number of payments, right? That kind of stuff. So we've seen a lot of people who are like nonprofits. They'll do this kind of stuff, right? So it's a pay what you want. Pay us, just $10 a month, and you're going to support, X, Y, and Z, and you can make this monthly. You could then also say, okay, cool. After 5 total payments of this, your subscription is complete, right? So I'm going to take this off. We actually don't want that at all. And just make it a regular pay what you want over $1, right? Go ahead and click create product. And then I will go ahead and just hit the preview button up here. It's going to open a very basic, checkout page for it that we've done nothing else to. But you can see here's the name your price option, right? So if I come in here and put in $10, right? Card updates, all good. If I try to put in 0.50, right? You can say it's not going to work. You got a red box. It only works over and above the minimum that I've set. If I now take it to $1.01, $1.01, then we're all set. Pay what you want pricing. Super, super powerful. Take some things that you have that are just kind of sitting around. Like if you do a bunch of free lead magnet stuff, consider selling it as pay what you want. You'll get fewer people to take action, but the people that do take action are customers. You've got credit cards, way better, way higher quality. Pay what you want products. Now available on SamCart. Go check it out.